Listen up. The only prison you're in is the one you built in your mind. You want to shatter expectations? Start with your own. Every excuse, every doubt, every voice whispering you can't, that's just rust on the chains you forged. Grab the sledgehammer of relentless action and swing. Tear down the walls, brick by brick. Rebuild yourself with the steel of discipline and the fire of bold choices. Ordinary is a graveyard for dreams. Today, you bury your limitations and resurrect your true self. The world doesn't get to define you, you do. Now break those chains and show us.